Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom character in Scratch. So first, you're going to go to paint and hover over it, and to choose a sprite, hover over it and click paint. Now you have a blank canvas and we are going to make your character with this. Now select the circle tool, make sure it's only outline, and then press shift and drag out a nice circle. Now center that circle for now, and then we will draw our face. Now we're not going to go like this, but we're going to use the line tool so it doesn't look anything like that. So we're going to draw two little slits for the eyes. And put them on each side of the face. Like that. Now I'm going to draw one straight line for the lips. And I'm going to select it with our key tool. I'm going to make a little smile. Now we're going to make the hair. Now we're going to make the body. First of all, you do not need this long hair, so let's make it squat. Perfect, that looks fine. Now we're gonna make the same thing we did, and we're gonna make it a nice dark outline. Now I'm gonna go with the style where you do not make a neck. Okay, she kind of looks fat right there. You know what, never mind, not the circle, it doesn't match. Let's go with dark red, and okay, I cannot make up my mind. Let me zoom out so I can see how it looks. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay. Now we are gonna make the legs, and for the legs, I'm not making any legs. I'm gonna make shoes. Those look so weird. Now it's been like another 3 hours of this video making very detailed shoes that don't even look that good. Okay, that looks fine. Now there's only one thing missing. What is that? No, never mind. Okay, now we just have to duplicate this shoe. Right here, flip horizontal, and we have the shoes. Now all we need is her hands. Her hands. Okay. Let's group these so we can grab them whenever we want. Okay. Now, the hands. Okay, so let's make a circle. A nice circle. And then we're gonna grab this tool and we're gonna make a hand. Ta-da! Okay, that looks nothing like a hand. Whatever, this is fine. Let's tilt it down like this. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. And then flip horizontal. Now we are gonna copy off our skin color and we're gonna paint our hands. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you a simple animation. And I'm just gonna take away all these outlines because they were just a guide. I can't see it. Okay, that looks fine. So the animation is gonna be waving, so we're gonna move the hand up a little bit and we're gonna start tilting it as we move it up. I'm just gonna keep moving with it. Now we're going to go to events, when green flag click, forever, and next costume. Now we have a nice little waving animation and your character.